The first step in creating a good conversational AI agent at GHL is to create a proper knowledge base. Recently, the GHL knowledge base has become extremely powerful. We want to show you the options we have now. We don't need any external system. This knowledge base has so many options. When you go to the knowledge base section inside high level, with the default is called existing knowledge base. You can create as many knowledge. I think you create like 7 to 10 knowledge bases if you want. So you can name, say, if you want to create a new one for a client, I'm going to say for a medical office client, Southwest ENT. Okay. And then you can describe this as a knowledge base for that. And then you have all these options. You can have a web crawler, a frequently asked questions section. You can upload tables. You can upload rich text or file as well. So the way you do that is if you click on here, it just shows what's there. You cannot upload here. Click here, add source. The first is the web crawler, right? Use the exact URL, or you have two other options, all URLs with the path or all URLs in this domain. So I generally tend to use all URLs with the path, but you can try either of them. So once you put a website, I'm going to say, once you put a website and click extract data, it's going to go and browse for all the URLs in the path. I had to warn you, sometimes you can take it. It has taken up to 30 minutes for me. Sometimes it's just circling and you think it's not working, it's actually working. Once it identifies all the pages, it actually will say, hey, I identified 30 pages. And then you can select which pages you want to crawl and train the bot with. And the actual training takes like pretty quick. It's within 30 seconds, you can extract data here. And if you get a new client, scrape their website and create the knowledge base here. And then the frequently asked questions. Again, this is a lot of people skip it. The way I do this is, of course, I use the web crawler feature to scroll the website, but also I use the file upload feature where I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And then if the client supplies information, that's fine. Otherwise, I will put ChatGPT and say, hey, this is the website of the client. I'm trying to create a knowledge base. Please scrape this website and then give me a knowledge base. So ChatGPT gives you an excellent knowledge base. Cut and paste into a file, save it, then upload as a PDF file, Word, or docx or .text. Any of those files can be uploaded here. Then I actually asked ChatGPT, hey, also create a frequently asked questions section for me. Once I get that, I'll paste the question here and the answer here. If you have a FAQ, the AI agent prioritizes the FAQ section. It's important to add as many questions as possible. Again, when you implemented it for 1 to 2 weeks, you will know other questions which come up. When you audit those answers, you can actually update the FAQ section. So it's not like one and done system. You have to frequently update the FAQ section so that the voice AI agent or conversational agent gives the appropriate response. So many people skip this, but this is an important section as well. And then if you have tables, for example, like rooms, rent, or rent types, like room types, rent type, etc. If you have a table, you can actually upload it here, and then it'll have a reference the table when it's talking to the client. This knowledge base works extremely well. The better the knowledge base, the less prompting you need. The prompt can be very simple, but the knowledge base is very good. The agent works extremely well.